Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your landing page visuals with Webflow brand styling, full guide step by step clearly. First, open your Webflow project and navigate to the landing page you want to update. Next, review your current visuals and identify areas that need updating. Access the Webflow designer by clicking on the designer icon. In the designer, locate the style panel on the right side of the screen. Choose the element you wish to update, such as text, images, or background. For text elements, select the text block and adjust the font settings to align with your brand guidelines. Change font families, sizes, weights, and colors as needed to enhance readability and brand consistency. To update images, click on the image element and replace the current image with a new one from your assets or upload a new file. Ensure that the new images reflect your brand's style and messaging. If you're updating background colors or images, select the section or div block and navigate to the background settings in the Style panel. Choose a color that complements your brand identity or upload a background image that resonates with your target audience. Once you've made visual updates, preview the landing page to see how these changes come together. Check both desktop and mobile views to ensure all elements look consistent across devices. If everything looks good, publish your changes by clicking the Publish button in the upper right corner of the designer. After publishing, visit your landing page to confirm that the new visuals are live and functioning as expected. Take note of user feedback and analytics to gauge the impact of your visual updates. Continue to iterate on your design as necessary to keep your landing page fresh and engaging. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.